Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover from e-commerce challenges with WooCommerce step by step clearly. Open your WooCommerce dashboard and identify the specific challenges you are facing. Assess any technical issues by checking for error messages or sluggish performance. Update WooCommerce and all associated plugins to the latest versions. Review your website's hosting plan for adequacy in handling your site traffic and resource needs. Conduct a full backup of your site before making major changes. Evaluate the quality of your product images and descriptions. Optimize product listings by improving SEO elements, such as titles and meta descriptions. Examine your payment gateways to ensure they are properly configured and functional. Test the checkout process to identify any potential roadblocks for customers. Implement customer feedback tools, such as surveys or reviews, to gather insights on user experience. Analyze your website analytics to pinpoint areas of high traffic drop-off. Revise your marketing strategies based on analytics data, focusing on underperforming channels. Consider implementing cart abandonment solutions to recapture lost sales. Enhance your customer support by offering live chat or easy-to-find contact information. Regularly communicate with your customers about any changes or updates to your site. Keep an eye on your competitors and evaluate their strategies for any insights. Continue to iterate on your website based on feedback and performance metrics. Focus on building a community around your brand through social media engagement. Review your inventory management practices to ensure you're meeting customer demand. Ensure that your shipping policies are clear and competitive. Work on building customer loyalty through rewards programs or discounts for repeat purchases. Stay informed about industry trends and adapt your business model accordingly. Monitor and adjust your promotional efforts based on sales data and market response. Revisit your website design with an eye for user experience and ease of navigation. Celebrate your successes and learn from your setbacks to continuously improve your e-commerce journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.